how to split a PDF into separate pages. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split the pages of a PDF into separate PDF files. So if you're trying to either extract pages or break up a PDF into many PDFs, in this video, you'll be able to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, I have a PDF, just as an example, that is 18 pages long. And to split this PDF, we're going to be using a free tool called PDFGadget.com. Now, full disclosure, I created PDFGadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly in the browser on your computer, iPhone, Android phone, Chromebook, MacBook, any device that runs a browser, PDF Gadget will work in. So check the description. I'll have a direct link down there. Once you get to PDFGadget.com, from the homepage, you can just scroll down and select Split PDFs, or you can just select More Tools and then find Split PDF. From there, just select PDF to split. Find the PDF that you want to split and open it up. It'll then show you all the different pages there, where all we need to do is choose how we want to do this. So we can, at the top, download selected PDFs into one PDF, or we can select the next option that downloads each selected page as a separate PDF. So as you can see in the previews of the different pages, based on these options, if I've selected any of these pages, they'll either be downloaded as a separate PDF or as all separate PDF files. So I'm going to do just download selected pages by splitting this into a separate PDF. So first I'll do unselect all, and then I'll just select a couple random pages as an example. So now, because I selected download selected pages into one PDF, the pages I selected will be downloaded into a separate PDF. Once I've selected the ones I want downloaded into a separate PDF, just go down, select split selected, and then download. And then for me, it'll download it directly to my downloads folder on your computer. It may ask you where you want to download it on your computer, or it may just open up an example where you'll need to select the file and then download as. But for me, it downloaded it automatically. So it just depends on your device. But as you can see now, if I scroll through, I now have 5 pages. And these are the pages that I selected, and I created a separate PDF file. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.